There's a coin that has been around for about 2.5 years that is really doing some amazing things. It's got some of the best optics in all of crypto. It's got huge developments coming, huge partnerships set up, and it's got one of the longest hold times of all crypto. Now, what I'm talking about is Shiba Inu. You've probably heard of it. It is a gateway crypto. It helps bring people into cryptocurrency. Now, one of the coolest things that you may not know about Shiba Inu is it is in fact spendable. Now, you might say, how does this actually work? With the use of different partnerships and pay rail systems, Shiba Inu is actually spendable at many different retailers. Now, these are 10 places that you may be familiar with that you can actually spend your Shiba Inu as currency. So the first place on the list is Whole Foods. I'm sure most of us have probably heard of Whole Foods, a great source for your grocery shopping. Now, another one on the list is GameStop. Everybody's heard of GameStop. I used to frequent GameStop very often from my days as a professional gamer. I spent probably way too much money there, but instead I could have spent Shiba Inu. Now, Nordstrom, great clothing retailer, American-made clothing retailer, and they do accept Shiba Inu as payment. Petco, so you can actually use your dog token for your dog. My dog's actually sitting next to me right now. The American Cancer Society, they can actually take Shiba Inu as payments, donations, all sorts of things related to Shiba Inu, but the list goes on and on. HostKey, private cloud solutions, AppMex, precious metals, Sling TV, right? You can actually pay for your TV service with Shiba Inu. David SW, luxury watches, Jama Shop, hopefully I said that right. Handbags, jewelry, eyeglasses, they said jewelry twice. But anyways, you get the picture. Shiba Inu is everywhere, and that is not changing anytime soon. In fact, the optics are getting larger and larger as time moves on. Shiba Inu is something that is not going to fade away anytime soon, and we actually expect this list to expand as time goes on. But as always, here on the ClearCryptos channel, just wanted to keep you updated and informed about all things going on. And Shiba Inu is definitely worth paying attention to. Wow. Appreciate you guys as always. If you haven't already, definitely show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.